Hey guys, my name is Pranav and today we're going to write a script that would fetch all of your GitHub repositories, public GitHub repositories using a Python script. Okay. And this video will be divided in two parts. In the first part, we will just be getting the API metadata, like all the repository metadata. And after that, in the second video, we will be filtering out few of the things like the repository name or the SSI or the star or the language the repository is written in or having a lot of files in. So that thing we will filter out based upon the output. So first of all, we will just begin with this part one. So to do that, what we will do is I'll just create a script, vim part1 part1.py. I'll just be giving the interpreter path usr bin python 3.9, and what we will use a request method to get the to do a get method, get call. Okay, so import requests. Okay, now we have the module in place. What we want to do is we'll need few things. For example, GitHub user, GitHub token, URL, and the headers. Okay, so all you wonder where I'm getting this from. So basically it is if you come to this documentation, it is already clearly written here that you would need the API and the headers and the token as well. Okay, so I have already written it down over here, so I'll just be copying it over. In your case, you will have to use your username and your token and all that. Okay, so I've just pasted it over here, and what we want to do now is we will just do a call. So I'll be first creating a variable and we'll use request method to get using a get call, get method, and I'll be sending the URL, which is this basically. Okay, and then I'll be sending headers. Okay, once I have that, okay, I have sent it, and then I will convert it to a JSON response. So for that, I'll take another variable. So j underscore res equals to res, which is the response that we got, dot JSON, and we can convert it using this JSON function, and we will just print it out. J underscore res. Now it's time to check. So first I will do is I will just give the executable permission part1, and I'll just run the script. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of gibberish stuff you are seeing, like you are not able to understand what the whole thing is, right? So what we can do is we can give a proper identification, make it properly readable using JSON dumps. So you can use json.dumps and then just send the j underscore res variable. Also indent would be equals to 2. You can set indent as 4 as well, it depends upon you, but we'll just check it with 2. Okay, there's one problem. What is that? JSON dumps jrs indent 2. Yeah, that's fine, right? json.dumps. Okay, indent, it's not d, it's t actually. Sorry for that, small things, and we'll be doing that. Okay, sorry, I also forgot one thing. I need to import the JSON. I am really sorry, it happens. Okay, as you can see, now it is more structured, so we'll be just copying few outputs. I'll just copy few outputs. Okay, what I'll do is I'll copy few outputs. Yeah, let's say this, and I paste it over here, and JSON, I'll pick it as JSON. So basically this is how you would get the metadata of all of your repositories. And as you can see, ID, node, name, full name, private, owner, and all of the details. Okay, so the next job of our script would be to take the name out of it, so that we can just list what are all the repositories that we have. Okay, and the good thing is that you can take not just this name, you can take all the other things that you can do. Like for example, you want to know the language. Sometimes we want to know the language, like what language the more files are put in. Like sometimes a repository would have only HTML, and so the language would be HTML over here. So it depends. So next part we will see how to take the name of it, like just to get the name of it. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.